Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at what we believe is the best Thanksgiving gift box's Decorative Autumn Harvest Festive Pack. The YVAINE 12 pieces Fall Party Treat Boxes. Whether you're hosting a cozy Thanksgiving dinner, a fall-themed birthday bash, or simply want to add a festive touch to your holiday events, this set is crafted to make your celebration extra memorable. Let's begin with the basics. The YVAINE Fall Treat Box Set includes a total of 12 paper gift boxes, split evenly across two beautifully designed styles. That's 6 boxes of each design, giving you variety and aesthetic appeal right out of the pack. Each box features vibrant maple leaf patterns that evoke the warmth and richness of the autumn season, making them perfect not only for Thanksgiving but for any harvest-themed occasion. Now, let's talk about the construction and materials. These boxes are made from quality thick cardboard. They're not flimsy or easy to tear. In fact, they strike a perfect balance between sturdiness and lightweight convenience. That means they're durable enough to hold your treats securely, yet easy enough to carry, stack, and distribute to guests. Best of all, they're reusable, which adds eco-friendliness to their charm. Next, we move to the design. The standout feature here is the classic autumn motif. Think deep reds, golden yellows, and earthy browns all wrapped around swirling maple leaf prints. These boxes instantly elevate the mood of your table setup or gift display. The bold colors and intricate patterns really bring out the season's spirit and create a strong festive ambiance that your guests are sure to appreciate. Size-wise, each box measures 6.3 inches long by 3.7 inches wide and 3.7 inches tall. That's plenty of space to fill them with candies, snacks, chocolates, mini baked goods, or small party favors. If you're a party planner or simply someone who loves adding those extra special touches to your gatherings, these boxes serve both form and function beautifully. But what makes them especially great is their versatility. These aren't just Thanksgiving boxes. You can use them for fall birthday parties, school events, office celebrations, or even just as autumn-themed decor on your mantle or table. You can line them up in rows, stack them in a display pyramid, or place one at each guest setting as a personal takeaway. The creative possibilities are endless. So if you're planning a celebration this fall and want to give your guests something thoughtful, festive, and functional, the YVAINE 12-piece treat box set is a fantastic option. Although this product is currently marked as unavailable on Amazon and we don't know when it will return, it's worth keeping an eye on. In the meantime, we'll link similar alternatives in the description to make sure your fall parties stay festive and full of flair. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we break down products so you can buy better. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our latest uploads. See you in the next one.